All right, we got to talk about the Asus Falchion HFX. Okay, now I still don't know how to pronounce this keyboard, but this keyboard is probably one of my favorite keyboards that I ever purchased, ever used, etc. This thing is not wireless. Now, you guys know I do like the wireless style keyboards, mouses. I like wireless things, wireless headset, wireless earbuds. I'm a wireless guy. This is actually a keyboard that you can use. Let me show you this bad boy. So this is a keyboard that you actually can use for 2 computers at once. Now, I know you guys are probably like, what the hell are you talking about, Nate? You can use this keyboard for not only your gaming keyboard, but also your streaming keyboard as well. Now, for me, as you guys can see my setup right here, just looking at everything, you can see I have 2 keyboards on my setup. My streaming PC keyboard and my gaming PC keyboard. Now, usually I'll have 2 different keyboards just because I have 2 mouses as well. Streaming PC mouse and gaming PC mouse. Now, if you look at my desk, you can see it's all cluttered. I'm trying to get rid of a streaming PC keyboard just to get rid of all the clutter. I just want one keyboard on my setup, and this keyboard is actually a magnetic keyboard. The feeling of this keyboard is absolutely insane, but we're not going to talk about that in general. We're just going to talk about how you can use this keyboard on the streaming PC and gaming PC at once. As you can see, there's a toggle on the right side of the keyboard which will allow you to literally go from rapid trigger to standard style keyboard. Now, if you wanted to use your second computer keyboard, you literally just flip that switch on the side and it's going to switch over to the first display keyboard gaming PC. If you switch it on the other side, it's going to switch to your primary setup for your keyboard. Now, this keyboard has a lot of gadgets on it. I'm not going to talk about those gadgets today. I will drop a review on this keyboard, and I will drop several other videos on this keyboard because, like I said again, this is probably one of my favorite keyboards that I've ever used in a while. And this video is not sponsored, by the way. So if you guys are in a market for a keyboard that you need for both setups, for your streaming PC and your gaming PC, this one is the one for you. All you do is literally hook up a USB-C cord from your gaming PC in here, and then your streaming PC, vice versa, and you got one keyboard for 2 setups. Pretty unreal. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section. We back on the ground on YouTube. And that being said, that's it for this video. Let's get it. YouTube 2021.